Blessed day, my people. So in today's video, we have two things to talk about. One of them is about a Obeah man, Zane. And the Obeah man is talking about how much side chicks hit him up. Now, if you're Jamaican, well, you don't have to be Jamaican. You're supposed to know what the word side chick means, Zane. You don't know a side chick, in case you don't know. It's a woman who there with a man, and the man have a main woman, you understand, like he married and so forth. So the Obeah man say, yo, the side chick them kind of go hard now because the girls them basically are put out like some love spells, forget man for spend more time with them, spend money upon them and all them thing there. I remember back in the days, you know, a side chick would know her role, know her position, and know say wifey and matey. Well, kind of seem like that is no more. You understand? Whole heap of disrespecting a go on. When we read the article, you know, we get a better understanding and so forth. You understand? Me and some people. But separately from that, we're going to talk about Vybz Kartel saying that he's not worried about a retrial, but he also urges the Court of Appeal to do the right thing. You understand? And of course, the right thing would be actually to just release him. Well, him and the other co-accused, the three co-accused, is him, people, because obviously a retrial, it's going to cause a whole heap of things. They have to go actually, you know, find back witnesses. Trust me, it's not easy to do a retrial, especially because this whole situation gone from how much years ago? More than 14 years ago. What about 16 years ago, something like so. Anyway, my people, before we're going to further into the topics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, head over to my Instagram page, Mix Up Time 4, but I definitely appreciate that. All right, people, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the story as it relates to the St. Thomas Obeah man. We are talking about, you know, the females, them, the side chick, them, where I use a Valentine's Day spell upon the man, them, forget the man, them, to give them more attention. And I guess this is because they want more attention and money than where the wife get and them thing there. So let me get to this article. Only can tell more anything. Is it? So it's a Reuben Williams, a St. Thomas Obeah man, revealed that more than 12 side women contacted him for love spells since the beginning of the year. Reuben stated that women no longer respect a man's wife. The courtesy of allowing her to be with her husband on Valentine's Day is a thing of the past. He continued by declaring that females are the majority of his clientele because during the Valentine's Day period, they desire more attention and finances from men. Since the start of the year, he has received approximately 20 calls from women, of which 75 was fruitful. He reiterated how daring and brave mates are in this day and age, refusing to allow a man's primary partner to prevent them from getting what they want. According to Williams, the agreeable to all spell from the Money Magic Bible is the go-to charm for females. Additionally, he stated that this spell is requested all year round because of their love for money. His love or money spell can cost up to $1,000, and he revealed that recently that a woman came to cast a charm on a man to tie him to her. He outlined to her that the man wasn't financially stable and it couldn't be that she was doing it only for sex. He declared, however, that it was their business and moved on. Furthermore, Williams said he always cautioned his clients about the added expense it takes to remove a spell. He believes the spirit he sends out are obedient and it will take a lot to remove them from where he sends them. In some cases, women even get abused when the men they cast the magic on don't want to leave, especially if there is no love. In contrast, Reuben doesn't necessarily celebrate Valentine's Day as do many other men. He recounted hearing that Mr. Valentine was a homo, which deterred him from celebrating. Despite this, Mr. Williams confessed that he will do whatever it takes to make his spouse happy. If she wants something, he will purchase it because he loves her. So yes, my people, what do you think about this Obeah man basically saying that the side chicks them nowadays, you know, because ladies, no for who are listening to this video, probably married, probably in a serious relationship. When you think about the side women them now, I get so bold that them willing to do everything for make your man pay more attention to them when it comes to certain times, Valentine's Day and all of that. Because remember, you know, the man say this spell where him work, or not spell where him work, but basically it's like a all year thing then. Just so females now just focus on Valentine's Day. Maybe it can be birthday, Christmas time. So it's like, this is like a money making thing for him then. You know, I guess I can say that. So the females them back in the days would actually respect wifey and know say when wifey they out with the husband, you stay in your place, you don't call him phone and try to get him attention certain way. But it's obvious that things and times have changed. Maybe some of you who are listening this even I go through this situation now or on experience it in the past. So when you can tell more anything about females now getting bold, going to the Obeah man, for hold the man, for grab the man, for take away the man, you understand? Or even if them don't want to take him away fully, them want the money, you understand? So that means you as the wife, you're going to get less money and the matey actually are going to get more money. Anyway, my people, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. We really have to laugh, yeah, man. So the next thing we're going to talk about is Vybz Kartel, who is basically telling the local courts to do the right thing. You understand what I mean, some people? So let me get to this article. And in the comment section, more want to tell me if you don't feel like say Vybz Kartel will get off, or do you think that they will actually do a retrial? Leave it in the comment section, all right? So it says Vybz Kartel not the least bit worried about a retrial, but urges Court of Appeal to do the right thing. Dancehall star Vybz Kartel has openly declared his readiness for a potential retrial, but is calling on Jamaica's Court of Appeal to act justly in determining whether there should be one. This comes after the UK-based Privy Council overturned his murder conviction on Thursday and ordered that the case be sent back to the island's Court of Appeal, a move that Kartel views as a significant victory, not just for himself but for justice. In a statement on Fox 5 New York journalist Lisa Evers on Thursday evening, Kartel shared his thoughts on the recent developments and his outlook on the future legal proceedings. Evers conducted Kartel's last broadcast interview in 2021. I feel victorious in this very moment as the Privy Council in their infinite wisdom understood the assignment and remedied the situation by quashing my conviction. He began the statement. I am now back to being an innocent man in the eyes of the law. A grave injustice was done to me and my co-accused in the original trial, and subsequently Isaac Buchanan, John Clark, David Hislop, Hugh Southey, Julian Mullins, and Alexandra Labish pleaded my cause, and my cries were heard in the land of the highest court. On Thursday morning, the Privy Council sided with Kartel and his co-accused Sean Storm, Kyra Jones, and Andre Matsu St. John in finding that Juror X, who was accused of attempting bribery, should have been removed from the trial. The council decision stated that the original trial judge erred when he let the accused juror participate in the final verdict, which compromised the safety of the convictions and violated the appellant's right to a fair trial. Bert Samuels, an attorney for Sean Storm, has said that the four men can now request bail pending the Court of Appeal's decision on a possible retrial. In his statement, Kartel expressed confidence that the Court of Appeal, which previously upheld his conviction, would now do the right thing. I am also very confident that the Court of Appeal in Jamaica will do the right thing in the name of equity, fairness, and justice and free us. Some people have expressed their concern to me that a retrial may be ordered to them. I say, albeit with my limited knowledge of the law, what is there to retry? He said. Kartel highlighted what he deemed to be flaws in his convictions, including the Court of Appeal's acknowledgement of the defense's effort to undermine the credibility of Lamar's Weechow, the prosecution's sole eyewitnesses. However, the Court of Appeal did not issue an opinion on Chow's testimony. The court merely stated the facts of the trial regarding Chow. They wrote, as might have been expected, Mr. Chow's credibility was severely impugned at the trial. Among the matters relied on for this purpose were 1. The alleged internal inconsistencies and discrepancies in his evidence. 2. The technical evidence which we will mention below relating to the timing and place of origin of telephone calls to and from a cellular phone on August 16, 2011, and 3. The production of a letter dated the 13th of November 2013 purportedly written by him to the public defender. In the letter, Mr. Chow stated that he had in fact seen the deceased alive after 16 of August 2011 and that he, Mr. Chow, had been pressured by the police to give the statement which he gave on the 24th of August 2011. Kartel's statement continued, and unsafe by analysis from forensic expert hired by my team from the United Kingdom. Not only that, police officers in the original trial also admitted that they tampered with text messages using the Celebrate machine, and even admitted that they used the cellular phones which were in evidence to make phone calls and send text to various numbers, including my then lawyer, my baby mother, and to my music publisher. He added, with that being said, the most important point to me is that I am an innocent man, so in reality, I am not in the least bit worried, as I know I will be acquitted and go home to my family, whom I have not been together with for over 10 years. So that's what Vybz Kartel have to say, my people. Very optimistic that he will actually be home with his family very soon. Well, sooner than later, I guess you can put it that way there, you see it. So as I say, my people, I want to tell me in the comment section, if you don't feel like there's going to be a retrial, or will they just free Vybz Kartel and the co-accused? You understand? More I want to tell me in the comment section, alright? And that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bless upon yourself until I drop the next video. I'm out.